Today we'll talk about how can you add debit card on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on your name. So then you can to next step. Then all you have to do, just click here on add a payment method. So then you come to next step here. Then you click here on debit card. Then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open video. So in here can you link your debit card here in this list when you just go to show for you here in this list. So it's going to take a time to open video here in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you are get it. So you just switch into open video, then it's going to show for you to add your debit card in this list here. So thank you for watching. So like you see now, it's show for us here. So that's all. Thank you for your watch.